Shabby chic is vintage inspired style, but compared to bohemian and other styles, it tends to be more feminine, soft and delicate. Shabby chic furnishings are often distressed and paint tends to have antique style. The color palette include white, cream and pastels. In this style, you will find more vintage fabrics, vintage chandeliers and old French linens. Shabby chic. Shabby chic is big these days with the popularity of vintage and DIY home decor. While I don't want to say shabby chic is a full crafty style, they are definitely craft elements that people like such as distressed furnishings, floral prints and design elements and whitewash floors, all of which are popular DIY projects in the home. The shabby chic interior designers draw quite a significant chunk of their inspiration from the vintage design and styles. However, they are more focused towards creating feminine, soft and delicate designs. Key elements: decor has a soft, feminine feel, vintage fabrics, distressed and painted furnishings, whitewash and pickling floor, pale palettes, floral prints. Now it's time for summary. Focus on recognizing the style, learn key point of each style, understand user style to give the best result, mix and match different styles to get a new look, reduces the time to understand client needs. Hello everyone, as we have finished our module 2, now it is the time of submission of your assignment. I request you all to please read and understand the assignment thoroughly before starting it. Take all the quizzes and assignment diligently, and once we will receive your assignment, only then you will be able to go on module 3. Congratulations to you guys. With this, we have finished our module 2 of different styles of interior designing. I hope you all have understood it very well. Now it's time to recap it with quiz like we did it before.